avoid the plague of the swivel chair. Here's another tip for your video making. If your office has swivel chairs and you are tempted to use one for your video making, then I suggest you plant your feet firmly on the floor. Using a swivel chair, you are tempted to swing backwards and forwards, it's okay in normal meetings, but on a small screen, that swinging action can actually be extremely distracting for your audience. It can get in the way of your message, and it actually can make your audience feel slightly seasick, and in which case they're likely just to disappear, switch off, swipe, and go and watch something else. So, if you are making videos, either stand or see if you can find a chair with fixed legs, or if you can't or you prefer to use a swivel chair, then my suggestion would be to plant your feet firmly on the floor to avoid the urge to swing. That's it for now, and I will speak to you next week. Bye-bye.